If you've ever sat in a bus and you've had one of these cars go past with the blue lights, not on top but underneath, and they're normally playing some American hip hop type music, so it's going bum 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 as they go past. Now, if you've sat in a bus in the traffic jam, the last thing you want is a car next to you playing heavy music like that. Not because there's anything particularly wrong with the music, but because it's very bassy, and the bus is basically a 40-foot long metal tube, and 40 foot's quite a long length. Your entire bus resonate, particularly if it's a single decker, because I know I have a few times.